Ever wondered if a meal could be more than just a taste delight? Introduce your palate to Banamin's plant-based, low glycemic index, gluten-free soup mix. Each packet of Banamin's soup mix is a symphony of wholesome ingredients. Green banana flour, mung beans, moth beans, cabbage, and sapota, all harmoniously blending to create a flavor that's both unique and familiar. Banamin's soup mix stands proud with a 100% clean label, a promise of no sugar, dextrose, starch powder, artificial flavors, or colors. Just pure, unadulterated goodness. In under a quarter of an hour, the magic unfolds in your kitchen, giving birth to a nutritionally balanced meal that's as easy to prepare as it is delicious to devour. From tiny tots to the elderly, Banamin soup mix brings a smile to every face. It's not merely a meal, it's a powerhouse of nutrition, a celebration of health. With an impressive lineup of nutrients like protein, fibers, iron, magnesium, calcium, potassium, folates, and vitamins B6, B2, A, and C. This soup mix is a champion of gut health, a cheerleader for energy, and a promoter of overall well-being. Whether you're on a weight loss journey, managing diabetes, a fitness enthusiast, an athlete, or a growing child, Banamin's soup mix is your perfect meal companion. Savor the taste of good health with Banamin soup mix because every spoonful matters, every spoonful counts. Ready to invite good health to your table? Visit www.banamin.org and order your Banamin soup mix today. Because at Banamin, we believe that good health begins with what you eat. So why wait? Make every meal count with Banamin's soup mix.